Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this super duper simple origami Pikachu. But before we begin, be sure to leave a comments. Let me know what you would like to see next, and let's jump right in. To make this very simple origami Pikachu, you are going to need a square sheet of paper. First you are going to fold your square sheet of paper in half diagonally so that it create a triangle shape. After that, this bottom side and fold it upward about 3 cm. Crease it in. And next you are going to take this bottom right hand corner and you are going to fold it upward diagonally so that this point matches this point. And now you are not going to crease it in, but instead you are going to draw it outward about 30 degree or so, like this, and then crease it in, and this create the angle of Pikachu ear. After that you have to repeat the same thing on the left side. So you are going to draw it diagonally like this, bring it up, move it outward towards the left so that it's around the same size, and then crease it in. After that you have to create the angle of Pikachu's ear to make it little bit sharper. So you are going to align this side with this side and you are going to fold it diagonally to create the sharp point at the right side. Next you want to repeat the same thing on the left side. So you are going to align this side with this side, crease it in and to make it sharp point, and then flip around. And next you have to take this tip, top tip, and you are going to fold it down to create a curve on Pikachu forehead. And then you are going to fold in the right and left side. And then finally you are going to take this bottom side and fold it back to create Pikachu chin. And once you have done, you are ready to decorate and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there. I post new videos from the last 3 months and I don't want you to miss them. Also be sure to leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. Be sure to check out my other tutorial. I have over 100 videos, so they're really something for everyone. I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.